has got me high, never wanna say goodbye. It's like my world's on fire, like my world's on fire. This is where we're meant to be, singing to this melody, oh this melody.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. As you can see, the wet weather has definitely arrived. The weather here has been pretty crazy lately. I hope you all had a good Halloween. It's currently bonfire weekend and we've got some really fun things planned. Tonight we're going to a firework display at our friend's school, which we've never been to before, so that should be fun. And then tomorrow, which is actual bonfire night, the 5th of November, we're doing what we do every year, and that's where I grew up. Everyone gathers in the park around a massive bonfire. We always do sparklers on the green, have hot dogs, toffee apple ciders. It's a really cozy night and probably my favourite night of the whole year. It's a great atmosphere, all the community comes together and it's just an all-round cozy vibe. I love it. Then after, we let off a few fireworks, not massive ones, but I got a few different ones this year which I'll show you in a minute. So yeah, the rain is supposed to stop by tonight, so fingers crossed it'll be dry and we'll all have a great time. Well, that's the plan anyway. So this is this year's selection of fireworks. We've got the Old Faithful giant sparklers. Don't think you can have bonfire night without sparklers really. They're just a tradition, aren't they? So yeah, we normally get quite a few of these. They're just multi-shot fireworks. They're just a lot easier really. You don't have to keep going back and lighting them, or like the little ones, and they last a good few minutes, so that's always a good one. And then we've got this kaleidoscope fountain. Always try and get like a fountainy one as well. Everyone loves them. Good crowd pleaser. And then we've got 4 little rockets. So that'd be good. Everyone always takes cover when we let them off. No, we're very safe with the fireworks. Always very safe. And then, yeah, something a bit different is the last couple of years they've been doing these Halloween themed fireworks. This one's Wailing Witches. Yeah, she looks pretty scary. And then we've got, probably for our grand finale, the Sugar Skull Fountain with a flashing skull. So I don't know what that'd be like. So yeah, that's our fireworks selection for this year. So yeah, hopefully it will stay dry and we'll get to use them. So happy bonfire night everyone. Stay safe and enjoy this week's episode.
I used to wake up without confidence till I woke up with you right by my side. I didn't think that you would show up like you did, and you turned my life upside down. Oh, your love has got me high, never wanna say goodbye. It's like my world's on fire, like my world's on fire. This is where we're meant to be, singing to this melody, oh this melody. So sing, 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 sing. So sing, 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 sing. Oh, your love has filled my heart, blown my mind. Next to you, I feel fine. Oh, your love's got me high, high. I don't wanna lose you now, lose this dream, making this melody, melody. Could you stay with me forever? 'Cause I love everything about you. And I will follow you wherever. I can promise that I will always be true. Oh, your love has got me high, never wanna say goodbye. It's like my world's on fire, like my world's hearts on fire. This is where we're meant to be, singing to this melody. Oh, this melody. Oh,